Heavy-duty movable utility carts are made especially to make it simple for workers to store and move things. A variety of heavy-duty utility and industrial carts are now available in the market. They consist of many items like roll storage carts, clean room carts, panel rack carts, table carts, stainless steel carts, and many more. The automatic center punch is excellent at providing a starting point for workpieces so that screws don't move. When this tool is put against a surface, it automatically produces a spring-driven punch without the need for a hammer. Bear saws are designed to cut more on the pull than the push stroke. Because of this, sawing can be done more quickly, easily, and accurately by using a thinner blade, which removes less material. The sturdy spring steel is coated to prevent rusting. The rotary laser circles a room with a 360-degree beam that can be horizontal or vertical. It is used to ensure that the cut or design is accurately aligned. Because rotating laser levels are self-leveling, they make adjustments on their own to keep the laser line exactly straight. A snap-off knife can easily cut paper, cardboard, foam board, plastic, leather, and other materials. It makes it simple and quick for users to change the blades on their knives, guaranteeing that they always have a sharp blade on hand for any cutting tasks. Safety glasses keep you safe from sharp things flying around the work environment. This can take the shape of shrapnel, microscopic wood particles, and more. You do not want small, sharp particles in your eyes because they are tough to remove. Not only are Isotuni's products the best method to stay connected on the job site, but they are also the best hearing protectors. You can receive calls and converse with your co-workers easily thanks to noise isolating technology and its lightweight design. A cat's paw or cat's claw is a metal hand tool used to leverage the removal of nails, usually from wood. It's a common carpenter tool, with a pointed V-shaped tip on one or both ends that a hammer drives into the wood to catch the nail head. With a magnetic bit storage, there's no need to put down the tool, take off work gloves, or lose time looking for bits. This ensures no more misplaced pieces and lets you utilize longer bits as well as more expensive, higher quality bits that last longer. The tight reach extension wrench offers the maximum degree of adaptability and durability. The 1x2 inch wrench is for breaking bolts free when you require more foot pressure or pounds. You may now save time and effort since tightening and unscrewing bolts can be done right away. Compared to other saw kinds, reciprocating saws is an excellent choice for do-it-yourselfers and homeowners on a tight budget because they are reasonably priced, highly adaptable, and capable of cutting through a wide range of materials. They are perfect for usage in confined locations because they are portable and light. The capacity of a coil roofing nailer to swiftly drive a lot of nails is one of its main benefits. Coil nailers often include a built-in storage of 120 to 400 nails or more. With just one pull of the trigger, its pressured force may effortlessly drive a nail into a solid surface. Slotted drive shaft drills are not like other drills because of their special design, giving them a lot of power. Additionally, they let you operate the drill in 3 different modes: rotary, hammer, and rotary hammer. Even the hardest materials may be drilled quickly with this, all without the worry of drill bits breaking. Angle grinders are typically intended to cut metals. When sharpening tools, angle grinders can be used as an alternative to bench grinders. Angle grinders have higher power rates compared to other cutting tools. Furthermore, because an angle grinder has a side handle, you may easily adjust it to the desired angle. A combination square is a multi-purpose measuring tool generally used for measuring angles and short distances. It is a handy combination of a right-angled headstock and a ruler. This marking instrument therefore improves measurements of both length and angles. QuadSaw is the first tool that can actually drill a square hole. Its best advantage is the clean finish, given that you don't need to cover up any mess you might have made with a saw. In less than 5 seconds, drill the ideal hole, and once done, the hole doesn't need to be filled or fixed. Knee blades give you more mobility and balance when worn on the site. Without lifting off the ground, the 3-wheeled base enables a complete 360-degree turning capability. It also reduces back strain because of its design and comfort use. Made of steel and iron, this electrical drill is sturdy, resistant to corrosion, and doesn't break easily. Compared to other sheet metal cutting equipment, this cuts more quickly and is compatible with all drill bit types. With its extreme precision and smoothness, it leaves edges free of burrs. Magnetic pickup tools can be used for cleaning the mess in the job site. It is compact and collapsible, making it easy to bring anywhere. Even though its size is small, the magnetic gear is so powerful that it can lift even heavier objects like hammers, rods, and other metal tools that may be out of reach. The spray paint trigger handle is a grip that is ergonomic, requires less squeeze force to use a spray paint. It reduces finger fatigue and makes spraying faster. This can make painting up to 5 times faster than using a typical roller, adding more convenience in using the spray paint. The Gorilla Block Buster Bolster accurately cuts blocks and bricks quickly. It is suitable for removing floor or wall tiles and helps break through harder materials such as stones and metals. Its blade is made of sturdy steel, guaranteed safe, and makes breaking parts easier. Even without the heating system, heated jackets are a reliable partner, especially in harsh environments during snowfalls or storms. The fabric is designed to be comfortable, long-lasting, and wind and water resistant. You can stay warm with just this, thanks to the active heating elements. When doing repairs or restorations, the ruby scraper comes in handy. Among other things, it is helpful in removing carpets, vinyl tiles, wallpaper, and ceramic tiles. It provides great durability, ease of controlling the depth of scratching, and controls dust and debris. The SK16 replaceable concealed blade safety cutter was created with professionals in mind who frequently need to change the blades. Because the SK16 has a wider hole than the SK15, it can cut through thicker materials, such as heavy-duty flooring materials, carpet, and double-wall boxes. users can easily handle a variety of fastener sizes with a wide range of ratcheting wrenches. Its moving jaw, which is movable via the center roll, makes it possible to tighten and loosen nuts and bolts of different sizes. They are also ergonomically better and even lighter, making them a necessity for any toolbox. A hammer tacker is a tool for fastening a variety of thin plastic and paper sheet building materials against flat surfaces. With no loose parts, bottom loading is quick and simple. It also has an ergonomic handle that is non-slip and well balanced. The Viking arm is essentially a portable jack with a lifting capacity of 330 pounds. With control and precision, you just have to lift, press, and then tighten. As easy as it is used, it encourages innovation, ensures quality and safety, and can be used in place of several traditional tools. Electric hand planers provides efficiency in construction. Because electric hand planers have stronger motors and can move more swiftly than traditional hand planers, they can handle greater workloads. You can do the task more quickly and with less effort. Designed for artificial grass upkeep, Topkeeper works incredibly well on moss. It refreshes the worn-out looking grass and removes any debris from it. It fits the majority of popular brands of strimmers and brush cutters. When knelt or seated, knee seats offer back support, ergonomic knee protection, and ankle support. It is made of extra thick aluminum tubing, providing strength and durability. It maintains the ideal hip, knee, and ankle angles to support and relieve the back, shoulders, and neck. In metalworking, a scriber is a hand tool used to draw lines on workpieces before they are machined. The primary benefit is accuracy. A scriber produces a line that is far more exact than one made with a pen or graphite pencil, which makes it possible to achieve superior overall outcomes in terms of cutting. In warm weather, this continuous fan misting function is ideal for occasions when you'll be moving around. Press the misting mode selection button twice more to go to continuous misting. You can also use this mode to provide rapid cooling down following an intense activity like building and sports. The waterproof lizard cam is ideal for sneaking into narrow areas. This device is great for bathroom jobs that require you to not only cut granite or tile, but also install sinks or shower piping. The waterproof lizard cam features a handheld monitor display, a high-resolution camera, and an LED light. Small trees, woody weeds, and shrubs with stems up can be removed with this handheld brush grubber. Made of sturdy steel, it has strong teeth that are spring-loaded and can grip the stem. You can remove the undesired brush with greater leverage because of the broad handle. The structure of pitched roofs is safe and robust due to its triangular shape. They are more resilient to the environment because they are made to withstand heavy rain, snow, and wind. For additional durability and safety, you can also insulate the roofing and walls. Smart Drill is a leading solution for flexible cost savings and increased drilling performance. Its system allows automated drilling practices safely and efficiently. You now have a drill that calculates energy in joules and will provide real-time data. The countersink leaves a spotless hole edge in surface. This is used to make sure fasteners or screws with flat heads are flush with the workpiece. It polishes the look of your workpiece, making screws appear integrated rather than added on. Handheld tile cutters can cut the majority of porcelain and glass, as well as almost all ceramic tile types. Cut accurately and repeatedly with ease. They are portable, cheaper than electric tile cutters, and require no special skills to use. The VoltClaw facilitates comfortable handling and maneuvering with its ergonomic grip. You can move and bend wires safely using the VoltClaw's smooth, soft edges without causing any damage. With this, even easy chores like reaching inside a light pole to remove the wires are much safer and easier. The Armeg brick line runner can work on many walls at once. Bricklayers can run lines quickly, easily, and conveniently using these special clamps. Brick lining's time efficiency is maximised by working on interior corners. For spray and backroll jobs, the jet roller saves time and labour by combining the work into one action. The jet roller minimises overspray and provides a high quality finish. It allows particles to be uniformly distributed due to the high pressure and small nozzle. With almost no effort, paint or deck stain may be correctly blended thanks to the handy hide stir whip. The design essentially consists of a rod with stiff rubber bristles that attach to your cordless drill. This way, paint is not whipped onto the area. The Makita multi-tool is highly versatile and can perform tasks including deep plunge cutting, pocket cutting, metal cutting, routing joints on wall tiles, and effortless sanding and polishing. Makita is superior in terms of battery life and small size. The Gorilla Gripper, which is composed of fibre-reinforced nylon, can grasp and raise any sheet material with a thickness of 0 to 19 millimeters. For grabbing the tops of big bags to transport gravel, sand, and others, it provides safer handling for a one-person operation. Carpenter pencils have a wider surface area than conventional pencils, making them simpler to handle. The lead of a carpenter's pencil is often oval, making it simple to draw lines of varying thicknesses by slightly twisting the pencil. Carpenter's pencils are powerful. Outlet tracers are intended to define the course of electrical circuits. It allows users to sketch connections, troubleshoot problems, and assure appropriate wiring integrity. It is fundamentally based on electromagnetic induction. This transportable wood cart is an excellent addition to any workplace for keeping your timber organized. This mobile storage cart features compartments for plywood, offcuts, and long timber. If you want to improve your workshop, The first step is to organize it and make sure everything has a home. The best gate rollers are manufactured of high quality steel and galvanized, making them sturdy, anti-rust and anti-corrosion. They are ideal for heavy-duty sliding gates, inverted tracks, factory doors, dog gates, garage doors, garden gates and other industrial machine track projects. The advantages of using a rebar bender and cutter are undeniable. It offers better production, greater precision, and improved worker safety. It not only saves time and effort, but it also produces consistent and exact outcomes, lowering the margin for mistakes. Because of its right angle shape, Speed Square produces significantly more precise results whether measuring angles or straight lines. It is more efficient and simple to operate than other tools. With regular use, it can save time on projects by shortening the time spent measuring and marking cuts. This is a professional construction pencil that is specifically intended for accurate hole marking. The job has never been easier with the Tracer pencil, with its 120mm retractable leads. The device comes with a trouser clip and a sight holster, so your pencil is always within reach and ready to use. Impact drivers provide for better contact with the head of a screw, resulting in fewer stripped heads. Impact drivers are perfect for driving in a large number of screws, nuts and other fasteners since they are easier on your hands and wrists. Brad's nails give a crisp finish to a variety of woodworking projects. They operate better with thinner lumber cuts, such as fiberboard and plywood. Brad's nails also offer greater gripping power than pin nails. An oscillating multi-tool is a handheld power tool with a fast, oscillating head that may accept a variety of attachments. It has extensive motions and compact construction. These are extremely effective for scraping, sanding, and cutting chores. All you need is the correct head to complete the task. Chalk lines are commonly used for marking lines on relatively flat surfaces. This chalk line tool, which is primarily used in carpentry, gives exact guidance before cutting, laying tiles, leveling posts, handing wallpaper, and performing other activities. Vinyl plank flooring is designed to be lived on. It is resistant to scratches, indentations, and stains, making it ideal for children and pets. Vinyl plank's durability allows you to place them almost anywhere in your home. A welded pipe is significantly easier to repair than one with screwed fittings. With a welding machine, a repair can typically be completed while the pipe is still in place. A screwed pipe system should be disassembled, repaired, and then reassembled. Compared to other methods, a tile cutter produces a neater, tidier cut. A carelessly cut tile will not only make your floor or wall look sloppy, but it may also make you feel as if you have squandered money. With a tile cutter, you can ensure better, symmetrical looking floors. Drill bits should produce very clean holes in the material. They are used to cut extremely precise holes of various diameters in materials such as brick, stone, and concrete. With a drill bit multiplier, you can spend less time drilling by drilling more than one bit at a time, with precise spacing between them. String lines are one of the oldest and most basic hand tools, and they are widely used in construction. It assists the user in drawing a straight line between two reference points. It is used to denote both direction and elevation. The keychain tape measure is ideal for measuring works of any size and includes an actual functional tape measure, perfect size for slipping into your pocket or hanging on your backpack. Also great for those unexpected jobs where you only need a fast measurement. An excellent flush cutter fits the hand comfortably and has a spring action that opens when the grip is relaxed. This sort of tool is suitable for normal, mild, and semi-hard metals. It is perfect to use on surfaces where they may sit level with the object being cut. The RMTX drill bit is designed for high-speed drilling of difficult materials in dry mode. The drill bits are made up of geared diamond segments. The turbo shape of the segment, combined with the productive bond, ensures effective high-speed drilling. The Stanley Max Steel Multi-Angle Vici is made of sturdy cast iron that resists corrosion. It boasts a lightweight and compact design for mobility, a 360-degree rotating ball joint, and a locking mechanism to suit a variety of applications. A large clamp mount mounts with screws to a number of surfaces. This scraper knife's sturdy, non-slip rubber handle provides a firm grip and long-lasting sturdiness. It also has a finger guard ridge that improves cutting safety. The integrated paint can opener is convenient, and the handy lanyard opening enables for quick tying. The loggerhead bionic wrench technology surrounds the bolt to evenly transmit forces. It provides 10 to 30 times more contact area than standard wrenches. It won't easily round, slip, or scar work surfaces. Unia's universal spoke tension meter measures spoke tension in all types of speaking. The analog spoke tension meter comes calibrated and ready for use. To use, simply press the handle, insert the spoke between the two pins, and release it. The CELO is especially useful for handling bulky cable coils, corrugated tubing, polymer pipe, and heavy wire. It is easy to set up and can be used almost for any tube. And just as fast, you may store it in the professional bag provided and even transport it. Magnetic stud finders function by waving a magnet along the wall until it catches on the screws that hold drywall to studs. Because fasteners can be set more than a foot apart on a single stud, using a magnetic stud finder may take longer, but it is a low cost and straightforward solution. Pocket holes are simpler to produce than other woodworking methods. Pocket hole jigs allow the operator to drill a hole at an appropriate angle. Using a pocket hole jig also results in a cleaner and neater appearance. Screwdrivers are hand tools used for inserting and removing screws. Inside the set are a variety of shapes to match the appropriate screw drive. A screw's drive or head has a shaped aperture and protrusion to accommodate the screwdriver tip. Corner clamps are used to hold wood components together for gluing or attaching. It secures wooden objects to a workbench for cutting or shaping. The L-shaped design allows you to easily discover and examine corners. The thin rip jig is the safest and most convenient method for tearing thin strips repeatedly. The jig, made of heavy-duty aluminum extrusions, securely locks into any 19 by 10 mm gauge hole. The built-in scale allows you to make fine changes. A palm rotor has the capacity to engrave on wood and board. Because it is lightweight, it is simple to operate and move about for precise engraving. It can make a variety of edge profiles and square wood edges, and even function as a thickness planer to level uneven wood. The Bosch Jigsaw kit includes an enhanced forward soft grip area and has the smallest circumference compared to other jigsaws. The comparatively low weight of this device makes it ideal for work that requires precise movement. Its features ensure precise cuts and minimize blade deflection. Sanders is vital for building and painting tasks because they speed up the process. They smooth out surfaces and remove pollutants like dirt and rust. Sanding is also required for priming wooden and metal surfaces before painting to ensure better adhesion. A mobile concrete mixer provides unmatched versatility by allowing you to mix concrete on site. This means you can respond swiftly to changing project requirements. A portable concrete mixer is especially useful for larger, more complicated jobs where there is no time to waste. Diamond blade cutters are not the cheapest option on the market, but their superior resistance, cutting accuracy, and longevity make them worthwhile. Using this is the finest option for cutting bricks. The diamonds attached to the band of the blade allow you to cut smoothly and effortlessly through a brick. A power concrete screed is an equipment for smoothing and leveling freshly poured concrete surfaces. It is an effective technique for creating level and smooth surfaces in building projects. Using power screeds saves time, improves product quality, and reduces labor-intensive manual tasks. A smart helmet can detect the postures of the head and neck during an accident and measure them afterward to determine the extent of any damage. This helps to avoid and limit neck injuries. Another key feature of smart helmets is that all of their sensors preserve information. Cavity walls offer various advantages for building construction. Cavity walls lose less heat than solid walls and are significantly easier to insulate. They provide superior thermal insulation, soundproofing, and structural stability, making them a preferred choice for modern building design. Trelawney long-reach scalers are specifically designed to lessen the risk of backstrain and allow for use in previously unreachable regions. These scalers, which come in steel or lightweight aluminum, can be used with needle scaling attachments, scraper blades and chisels. The angle measurement ruler allows for the measurement and production of any angles, lines, forms and other geometric concepts. The two adjustable arms swivel around a central point, making measuring and drawing easier. The ruler is marked in inches and centimeters with a 0 to 360 degree scale. Scrapers are ideal tools for excavation and site preparation. They have advantages in terms of productivity, efficiency, variety, and cost effectiveness. Their capacity to transport enormous amounts of material rapidly makes them an extremely useful piece of equipment. The pipe cutters are simple to adjust, allowing users to optimize angles and perform several cuts. Long handles and an integrated cutting mechanism also provide a mechanical advantage, reducing cutting effort and improving ergonomics. Paslode claims to eliminate the need for subfloor adhesive completely. The system stores 120 specifically developed plastic sheet coil nails. The nail gun operates at 100 to 120 pounds per square inch and includes a dual mode trigger. The spray guide is suitable for both wet and dry sanding processes. Spray guide is a dry powder that prevents the clogging or blocking of abrasive goods, which is common with standard black paint aerosols. It can be used as a guide coat for any repair, as long as the surface is not black. Laser levels are a dependable and effective tool for attaining exact alignments, leveling surfaces, and maintaining precision. They are 10 times more accurate than ordinary levels and can align pieces from a considerable distance. A smart leak detection system employs sensors to safeguard your home from water damage. A smart system connects to your home's wireless network and sends you notifications whether you are at home or away. The connected devices in the system communicate with one another to automatically remedy the issues.